getting out of, these are first very few minutes
Few minutes
our
normally.
drive to Taiwan, Taipei. Look at that bridge. This is the
So we're
bridge.
caught in traffic. First na pa natin, no? We're riding a Toyota Yaris na
Tamsu River. Very nice.
crossover.
You have to be very careful though sa speed limits. But I think if you just follow the one in front of you, we have to know 40 daw speed eh. Cannot go beyond that. This is Tamsi River. And look at that, there are a lot of birds. It means na the biodiversity here is good. Lots of birds.
So we're riding a Toyota Yaris Crossover. Mileage only 2,000. Grabe. Bagong bago.
Slight ride tayo. 800 meters. We arrive after we depart from the bridge. Okay, signing off.
Mga 2 to 3
Good luck
minutes.
to us.
2 to 3 minutes. Wala pa kami eh. Abutin mo mga 2 minutes.
Ito mo yung silhouette na
Yeah.
buildings. Look at the bridge. This is the bridge. You can see the red river banks. There are no settlers in the river banks. Ito yung protection ng kanilang river banks.
Maganda dito because kanche eh, right hand. Right